Well, I believe that the only way of changing mindsets is by giving them knowledge and information. Community radio has played a paramount role in instilling knowledge on climate change among young people, and it being the ubiquitous, easy to learn and comprehensive medium, young people are able to learn skills and disseminate them on a wider audience. Considering that most farmers in my country only access the news through radio, we've decided to leverage and harness on the opportunities that come with the power of radio. A DRP's workshop has been very meaningful to me. It has helped me realize how important it is to break down the concepts of climate change so that communities are able to relate with climate challenges in their respective communities.
You have so many plastics. They take home about 20 plastics a day, and those plastics, they don't use them again. We're talking about plastics, the ones above 60 microns, because when you use them once, you use again, you can't take them to the market over and over.
When I go back to my community in Zambia, I will be able to share information, tools and skills with other young people because of the knowledge that has been instilled in me through the DRP training here in Kigali. So it's been really meaningful, it's been comprehensive, it's been informative, and it's been authentic to me. And I feel this is something that needs to continue even after this.